People, so I'm here to give the kids. Want to do some printing on these bags. They are drawstring bags, but we have not yet fixed the rope and all that. So these bags, and then t-shirts for Senate's 10th birthday. And so we have our printed paper for the heat transfer. These are the ones for the t-shirts, as you can see, and these are the ones for the backpacks. So yes, I am a child of God. Are you children of God?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so we are going to the sheets are long. They are long sheets like this. So we are going to divide them into two for 2 bags. So each of these sheets are for 2 bags. And we have our t-shirts and we have our stoning machine. So we are going to now go on to cut out all of these sheets into 2 parts so that we'll be able to do our heat transfer. So keep watching. I must not be left out. I'm also here. Yes, I'm here. All right, so we'll keep you posted. That's Senate trying to cut his. Yes, he's cutting it into 2 equal parts. And this is our beautiful princess cutting hers too. Careful, don't cut the ones under, keep them aside. Careful. And I'm going to cut mine. All these ones have been cut. So we have them. We are cutting the other ones for the t-shirts. While the children are still cutting, I'm going to prep our machine. So if you have jobs that you want to do heat transfer, just hit us up and we'll be able to do that for you ASAP and at a very affordable rate. So I'm just going to connect our machine. Put it on. And then I'll turn on the machine. Sorry. Here. So I'm going to let the temperature rise up to 180. See, that's the temperature. It's at 59 now. Allow it to rise up to 180. And then the machine will be hot. And we can start our heat transfer process. So it's getting hot. I'm just going to place our bag. This is our bag. This is our bag. I'm just placing it here. That is it. And then I'll pick one of the printouts. So we did a gospel theme. I am a child of God, and it has several Bible passages. This one is from Romans 15:13. God has filled me with joy, peace, and hope through the Holy Spirit. There are some that are actually paraphrased so that the sentence will not be too long. This is Psalm 27 verse 1. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Philippians 4:6. Pray about everything, worry for nothing. This is on Romans 8:31. If God be for me, who can be against me? So children carrying this backpack, the idea is that at least they will have memory verses they can use to pray with. They will look at their bag and be able to learn memory verses to know their Bible a little bit better. That is the idea behind this. So I'm going to place it here on our bag like that. This is the opening part of the bag. So this is the right way for it to be placed. And it's 108. That is a lot. I'm going to just put it off for a bit and allow it to cool a little. That is a bit too high for what we want. So I'm going to allow it to just cool down a little bit so that it doesn't burn our products. So we're about to do, I'm just going to wait for a few minutes And here we have the rope we want to use for the hitch for the bags. So we don't want the regular ropes per se, so we are using these other ropes. If you see this bag, we've already attached our rope, but we'll show you when the products are done. So this one already has the heat transfer done. We just did this as a sample and then we'll finish up. Just remember that it's supposed to be 180 and not 80, so it still needs to go up. So I'm going to close it at 125. Let's see if the heat's okay. Going in.
It's done, you guys. It might be a very hot, but it came out nice.
Use the handle. Yes, bring it down. Press it. Yep, that's good. So we are going to wait. That's what Senate has done.
It's very hot.
Bring it. Show the people what you've done. Are you a child of God?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so it's Ngusun's turn. You didn't push it inside properly. Push it very well. Okay. Check to make sure that the opening, which side is open. Good. So place your pick. Anything that is on it. In the middle. So you watch the space on this side and that side must be the same. Wait, you have pushed it too much. And let it not cross that line because it's going to be squeezed. Okay, so we are good to go.
I cannot push it down.
You can.
Let me help you.
You can't do it unsupervised, but you can definitely push it down.
Okay.
Go on.
It's hot.
So we are going over to the shirts now. And we are going to use this for the shirts. So there are different sizes. This is a large, it's children large. This is a small, it's children small. They have some that are medium. Okay, this one is medium. So we'll just, when we remove it from the pack, we'll still keep the pack so that we'll repackage it. So I'm just going to remove this. Alright, so I've removed it from the pack. This is how it is. I'm going to place it on my machine. I see these two creases. They are going to be our guide. So, taking our print out, and you want to bring it very close to the neck where it starts. If it's too down, it will make the thing look, the printing will come out around the tummy. It doesn't really look that fine. So use these two creases as your guideline, and then I'm going to close it.
Looks beautiful.
So this is our printed t-shirt. See how nice that looks.
See the football.
This is really nice. So we're going to do that for the remaining ones. And then we'll fold it back into the pack. We don't want to mix the sizes up. So the pink is in. These ones are for smaller children, 6-7 years old. We have all the bags done, and this is the final look for the printing and even the shirts. See, that's one we did, and we see that. So we have all the bags done. So we have so many bags here for all our children attendees to this party. Here are the tees. So these are the t-shirts, different colors. I didn't find all the colors I wanted, but these are the t-shirts, different colors, different sizes for our children. So see you guys there. See you guys there. This is what we have. So I'm going to package them and show you afterwards. So I've repackaged the shirts, each of them according to their sizes. This is what we now have. So we have all this repackaged. Even for those that want to do printing, you can bring your work to us and we'll be able to just nicely do it for you. So everything has been repackaged and ready to pack into our bags. Cheers.